This here's the rear bottom link for the back axle. And as you can see, it's in a hell of a state. I've cleaned it up, ready for welding. This is the way it goes, like this. That sort of shape. All the water runs down there. It collects in here, in there, and that's where it stays. This here is all what I had out of that in the corner. All rust. Rust. Right, it's all been welded up now. I put pieces of plate behind there, that hole, because I didn't want to put anything on the top of it in case it was too wide. This here is the piece that it's the bump stop on the back axle. And there's the bump stop there, so it fits in here. Right, these are now being done, painted, waiting for the bushes, and put away then ready for reassembly. Next little task I got is this, reassembling the strut. I'll be putting a race bearing in the top, needle roller, getting rid of that old rubber thing that the steering was on. Made it twice as hard, but this is going to be a big improvement, I think. We'll have to wait and see.